In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or insert a caption below or above a picture in Microsoft Word. Captions are a great way to provide context for images, diagrams, charts, or photographs in your documents. They help readers understand the purpose of an image, reference it properly in academic or professional work, and create a more polished and organized document. To start, open your Microsoft Word document and make sure the picture or image you want to caption is already inserted. Click on the image to select it, and you'll notice that the Picture Format tab appears on the ribbon. Once the image is selected, go to the References tab at the top of the window. The References tab contains several tools for adding citations, captions, and cross-references, making it easy to manage visual content in your document. Within the References tab, click the Insert Caption button. This will open the Caption dialog box where you can add the text you want to appear with your image. By default, Word will suggest a label such as figure, followed by a number which automatically updates as you add more captions throughout your document. You can type your description or title in the provided text box, ensuring that the caption clearly explains the image or provides any necessary details. You can also choose where the caption appears relative to the image. In the Caption dialog box, there is a Position drop-down menu. Select Below Selected Item to place the caption under the image, or choose Above Selected Item to place it on top. This flexibility allows you to maintain a consistent style throughout your document or highlight specific images in a way that suits your layout. If you need to change the numbering format, such as using Roman numerals or letters, click on the Numbering button in the Caption dialog box. Word allows you to customize the numbering style so it matches the format used elsewhere in your document, which is particularly helpful for academic or technical writing. After setting your options, click OK, and the caption will appear above or below your image, formatted consistently with other captions in the document. If you add additional images later, Word will automatically continue numbering the captions sequentially, keeping your document organized and professional. Adding captions not only enhances readability, but also makes your documents easier to reference, especially when creating tables of figures or lists of illustrations. With these steps, you can efficiently insert captions and improve the overall presentation of your content. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.